National Treasury Cabinet Secretary Ukur Yattani has urged the Public Service Commission to rein in on the ballooning public sector wage bill and his continued push for austerity in government. Spending on salaries and allowances for public servants hit 790 billion shillings in the last financial year, up from 526 billion shillings in the 2013-2014 financial year, taking the public sector wage bill to ordinary revenue ratio to about 43%.
As we embark on this planned period, Kenyans expect you to come up with practical solutions to the current challenges of bloated public service in the counties, ballooning wage bill, and high levels of youth unemployment, among others. Because currently, most county governments are spending over 60% of their budgets on salaries, which leaves very little or no funds for development, hence little value to the taxpayer. This trend needs to be reversed, where people are employed based on, not on merit, but other consideration, but then they just become, an employment bureau, where 60–70% of resources go to payment of salaries, with very little amount of money left for development and other important areas. I have no idea how Public Service Commission will intervene. But I think it's an important discourse that we need to undertake urgently.